Everybody's game time, game time, game time, and I'm continuing on with some more Leaf stuff. I got these on sale, and I snatched up two because I really, uh-oh, it feels like the cards are loose in here. Yikes, that's not good. Let me go ahead and get into this and see. Ugh, hopefully they're still in the top loaders. You get 8 autographs, 8 cards total, all autographs. I have pulled some really good stuff out of here. This is the Leaf Metal All-American Classic 2017. I should have mentioned that. They come in, oh, there's something floating on top here. Some kind of, oh, what is that? What's going on? Hang on. Pull these out where we don't see them. That is some kind of notification from Leaf. It doesn't look like a standard redemption, so I might actually better pull this off camera and look at it in case it has any kind of code or something that... Leaf has created new social media sites for all things related to Perfect Game cards. Okay. This card contains a unique code which may be useful when promotional opportunities are announced. Do not enter code on the Leaf Redemption site. It is not valid there. Giveaways could include rare plate autos, blank back autos, and proof autos not available in packs. Just scan or use your phone's camera to picture the card and code. Be ready for when further instructions are posted. All promotional programs will be shared through social media only, so get on board. So this card has a special unique code, and I'm still not exactly clear on what's going to happen. I feel like I'm like going into the card dark web or something. So you know I'm going to have to record this. So I'm going to record it, and I'll let you know what happens. We'll put this code in, and I'll record it, and we will see, do I automatically get provided with something special, or am I just entered to win something? We'll see. We'll see. That's well, actually I'll cover the code and just, so that's pretty interesting. So get on board. I guess we will. All right, we'll see what happens there. Okay, I assume we still have 8 autographs, and that doesn't count as one. I don't know. We're about to find out. Let's get in here and see what we got. Bryce Bush, that is a base autograph on card, third baseman. You can find out more about these kids by going perfectgame.org or scanning the QR code. I said that several times. That's 1. Number 2 is Xavier Edwards. This is not a bad pull, and it is number 2 out of 5. Black parallel. Shortstop. Sweet. 2 out of 5. Ian Bedell, and that is pink. 3 out of 7. Right-handed pitcher. Slade Ciccone. 2 out of 5. Another pitcher. Slade Ciccone. It's a slick name, that's for sure. Slade. So we're doing pretty good here. I mean, we're on, the first one wasn't numbered, but we're 2 out of 5, 2 out of 5, and 3 out of 7. So that's a pretty good start. 4 of the cards. Should have 4 more. Jordan Groshans, not bad. That is just the base card, though, not numbered. Nice. Next up is Jonathan Childress. Just another base, though. Left-hander. Where are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Brandon Dieter, 3 out of 5. It's funny. This is like one of the Perfect Game cards that I opened. Like it doesn't belong in this box, it seems like. Huh. Either way, sweet card. 3 out of 5. Alright, this last one is thick. Brandon Nick. Look at that patch. 2 out of 12. That patch is something else. Do not know Brandon Nick, though, unfortunately. In this case, as they often are, is filthy. Woof. Have to find out more about him. I know I like this patch, though. Alright, pretty sweet. Let's go back through. I think the Dieter, 3 out of 5. Lots of short prints. It was either like boom or bust. Not numbered, not numbered, short print, super short print, super short print, not numbered. Solid. I've got one more box. I'm not going to open it now. Watch for this to be posted in the future. Please like and subscribe so you can find out what happens when I go into the mystery site and enter my code. If you subscribe and turn on your notifications, you'll be notified when that video is posted. Please comment below if you have anything to say. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll be back with my next break very, very soon.